Welcome to Space and Tech Solutions. Today we're over in Up Holland, just outside Wigan. Got the Starlink. Current speed off BT is about 5 megs, so he's opted for Starlink on the 100 meg plan. That's all they need. No gamers in here. Nice and neat, straightforward install up there. Made a cable hidden under the eaves. Everything runs into there, into the office, creating a network with a deco system. We've got 3 hardwired cables coming out, up and over the top, down there, into that room there. Where's the deco? Another one down into that room. And then he wanted the whole garden covering as well. Show you how versatile it really is. On the top of there, there's another deco, outdoor one, which covers everywhere in the garden, including this garage, and up to the top of the driveway. If you need a professional install, have your Starlink, feel free to get in touch.